In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to revoke an invitation and tidy up your workspace's member list without disrupting the rest of your setup. Start by opening your browser and heading to ClickUp. Sign into the workspace where you manage members. If you use more than one workspace, make sure you're in the right one, since member management is specific to each workspace. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens a quick menu with options related to your account and workspace. Using the profile menu is the fastest way to reach the administrative areas you need, so you don't have to hunt through multiple pages. From that menu, select Settings. This takes you to the main settings area where you can manage workspace preferences, security, and users. It may take a second to load if your workspace is large, so give it a moment. In the Settings sidebar, click People. This is the hub for everything related to members, guests, and pending invitations. Here you'll see who currently has access, who's been invited, and what roles they have. If you don't see people, you might not have permission to manage members, and you'll need an admin or owner to complete this for you. Next, find and select the person you want to remove. If you have a long list, use the search bar to quickly locate them. Double-check that you've selected the correct person by reviewing their email or role so you don't remove the wrong invite. This is especially important in larger teams where names can be similar. With the member selected, click Cancel Invite. This immediately withdraws the pending invitation so the person can't join your workspace from that invite link. It's a clean way to manage access when someone was invited by mistake or no longer needs entry. In most cases, you'll be asked to confirm the action so you don't remove someone unintentionally. Go ahead and confirm when you're sure. After canceling, the person should disappear from the pending list, and the seat they would have used becomes available again for someone else. If your plan includes paid seats, this helps keep your billing tidy and accurate. That's the full process. To recap the best practices, verify you're in the correct workspace, ensure you have the right permissions, search carefully to pick the correct person, and confirm the cancel action. This simple routine keeps your ClickUp workspace organized, secure, and up to date.